Good day. My name is Omi, and I will be presenting my final PIT video presentation for the subject Information Security and Assurance. This topic titled Darknet Diaries Episode 36. It involves Jeremy from marketing. It takes listeners into the world of ethical hacking and social engineering, where a penetration tester is hired to post a new employee to test a company's security. What begins as controlled experiment quickly takes unexpected turns, revealing the vulnerabilities companies were faced when defending against cyber threats. This episode is a gripping reminder of importance of cybersecurity, the power of observation, and the risk organization must prepare for an increasingly digital world. Through this video, we'll explore the key lesson from the episode on how they apply the real-world security challenges. I'm going to discuss the first question. List 3 things that are awesome. Things you were surprised by, amazed by, or something you learned. The sheer audacity of the experiment. It's both exciting and alarming to think about employing a penetration tester to pretend to be a new employee to see how access they can obtain. The statement emphasized that social engineering can be equally as successful as technological hacking. Despite meticulous preparation, the penetration tester was discovered due unauthorized use of PowerShell on a financial PC. It demonstrates how effective security teams with the right monitoring in place can identify anomalies. Real-world security problems revealed in the episode. Businesses frequently fail to implement simple security precautions, leaving them open to assault. It serves as a reminder to businesses to take cybersecurity seriously. Second, I'm going to discuss the list 2 things that you will advocate with your family, friends, and coworkers. What are things that you should tell them to help them understand the importance of information security? Employee education and social engineering. It is important since many security breaches occur as a result of employees unintentionally disclosing private information. It is essential to train employees to spot unusual activity and phishing attempts. Second, establish stringent access control. Businesses should make sure that workers may only access the systems that are necessary for their jobs. Only threat detection can be achieved by keeping an eye on the odd activities such as illegal PowerShell usage. Lastly, I'm going to discuss list 1 thing that is actionable. After listening to this podcast, what is one thing you will do? Is there a quick thing you can do to be safe here? Is there something you can do to change your behavior? After hearing Jeremy from marketing, I would evaluate my internet accounts and passwords as a short yet efficient next step. People frequently repeat password or are unaware of personal information they have exposed, which leads to security breaches. I would review my logins, use a password manager to change weak or outdated password to strong, one-of-a-kind ones, and enable multi-factor authentication or MFA wherever feasible. Being more worried about emails and messages is another habit to break. I would be cautious to check odd links or attachment before clicking on them. Because social engineering is a major factor of cybersecurity dangers.